entire channel. My name's Kenzie, and today we're doing Tasty Science! This looks so much fun! Let's open it up! And wait, there we go. Whoa, what's all this stuff for? I see those cupcake things. But what are these? These things. Let's see what's out. This is the last thing. Let's see what's in here. I might be able to open these packets. Oh, here we go. That's really hard to open. These are bottles of called test tubes. In my shop and in my Make Your Own Bath Bomb. I'll link those two videos down in the description below. The cupcake mood, I made a cupcake video before. I'll link that video down in the description below. For your science project. We're going to do 2 experiments today, and one's going to be drink and one's going to be a candy. We're doing the one like little flavor for your fizzy. Take your little scooper and put it in your acid and then put it in your tube. 2 scoops. 1 and 2. Get 2 scoops of baking soda. And the same 2. After you add your water in your tube, and then it's a bubble and fizz. Whoa! We'll do it again. Add sugar and then syrup. Now time to stir it up. Soft. Put 2 scoops into your bottle, and then I choose this watermelon for my flavor. One more. And 2. Stir it up again. We're all done with my watermelon drink. Now let's taste it. That's good. It's bubbly and it's fizzy. Now let's make powder candy. First step, add a scoop of sugar. And this is grape, and it smells good. And add 2 scoops. 1 and 2. Now it's time to mix it up. And then it's time to try it. I think it's all a mess. Let's take a taste. I melted in my mouth. in this test tube, and then you can bring your candy wherever you want. Thank you for watching, and that was the Tasty Science for today. And don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.